Okay. Congratulations, Julia, on getting your license today at Big Road, Melton. How do you feel, Julia, getting your license today?
I feel very good. I was able to pass quite well with flying colors thanks to the driving school, and I felt very confident going into it because I was taught a lot of things I wouldn't have known without it. So it was very good.
Well done, Julia. Only 2 lessons with
Yes.
flying colors. You passed from the first time. Zero mistake. Yeah, the tester, she was so proud of you. She said to you, that's excellent. And she written on the top of the slip paper, you're an excellent student. Well done. Keep the good work, Julia. Stay safe on the road and make sure you give the number to all your family friends. Yeah, and pass it on and say Origin is the one. Yeah, to pass your drive test. Yeah, with flying colors. And
Thank
stay safe
you.
on the road as well.
Thank you.
Okay, Julia, all the very best, my dear. Take care. I'll see you sometime.